The doctor has suggested that tooth number 30 needs a sealant, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take my Pro V brush, I'm gonna dip it in the pumice, and I'm going to brush out the tooth. And if there's a prominent buccal groove, I'll go ahead and do that as well. Okay, next I will go ahead and spray off the tooth and suction it at the same time. Next I'll go ahead and place the isolation with the triangle and 2 cotton rolls on either side of the tooth. After that, I will go ahead and spray the tooth dry. And I'll use the etching generously. And once that's applied, I'll go ahead and wait 20 seconds. And now that the 20 seconds is over, I'm gonna go ahead and spray off the etchant and use the suction. At the same time, I'm gonna spray it into the suction. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and hit the air button to remove any water that may be in the air and water syringe. And I'm gonna go ahead and dry off the tooth, and I'm looking for a chalky appearance. After that, I'll leave the suction in the mouth and apply the sealant minimally. And then I'll use my micro brush to spread it around. And if it looks good and it's not overfilled, then I'll go ahead and cure it for 1 minute with the suction. And now that it's been a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and use the cotton tip applicator to remove the air inhibited layer. And then after that, with my sterile explorer, I'll go ahead and check the sealant and make sure it's not tacky and that it's not coming up. After that, I will use my air and water syringe again to remove the cotton rolls and the triangle. Oh, it would be like this, I'm sorry. Now I go behind here. And then I remove that. And we'll suction. And then I'll go ahead and check for the interproximals to make sure I didn't seal the teeth together. Next, I'll use our articulation paper to have the patient chomp and bite side to side. And I'm checking the occlusion and making sure that it's not too high or hitting any of the teeth that it's not supposed to. And after it looks good, in my AdPi under implementation, I'll go ahead and write that I sealed tooth number 30 with Clean Pro Sealant, and I etched it and I white cured it as well.